Good morning. Today we are leaving Melbourne and heading to Sydney. We've reached the airport, we've checked in and passed security. Now we're heading to our gate. Boarded the plane, the sun is rising and we are just going to take off. After an hour and a half, we are coming into Sydney. Look how beautiful this view is of Sydney. You can see Sydney Harbour Bridge. Checked into the hotel. We are staying at Citizens Walk, North Sydney. A quick room tour with beautiful view. Just behind these buildings is the Sydney Harbour Bridge. So we've settled into our room and now we've come for brunch at Sarvana Bhavan in North Sydney. It's a 2-minute drive from our stay. We have decided to eat dosas and uttapam for brunch today. As it's New Year's Eve today, we are planning to watch the fireworks. Our plan is to see the fireworks from Blues Point Reserve. It's a 20-minute walk from our hotel. And this is the queue to get in. We've been waiting for 15 minutes already. 30 minutes later we have made it in. We luckily got a beautiful view. It's 3 PM so we'll be camping here for more than 9 hours. It's been around 3 hours now. Mum and I have come to find some food. There's so many different stalls selling all sorts of cuisine. It's getting dark now. There is a fireworks show at 9 PM. It's a teaser to show how the main fireworks show will be. Watched the first show and now we've come closer to see the bridge and view of the skyline. We still have 2 hours left till midnight. have now left the vantage point and heading back to the hotel. There are so many people all trying to head home. We've woken up late today and now we're going to decide where to eat brunch. We ended up at Pizza Hut just behind a hotel. We've ordered pizza, garlic bread and mac and cheese. From Hare Krishna Mandir, we have now driven to Bondi Beach. This is the famous Bondi Iceberg Swimming Club. A nice place to swim. A quick trip to Bondi Beach and now we're back in Sydney. We're walking along the circular quay. We've now come to see the Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge. Stunning views. Next to the Opera House is the Royal Botanical Garden. It's quite big, so we're just walking around it now. For dinner we have come to Little India. There's so many Indian restaurants here. It's in Harris Park. We've decided to eat at A to B restaurant. Good morning. Today is looking sunny and we are heading to Echo Point Lookout and the Three Sisters. So we found parking around 10 minutes away. We've walked up to the viewpoint. There's quite a bit of people here though. And this is the Three Sisters. Such a stunning valley. So much greenery. The cable car and scenic wall can be seen from here. We tried to book ourselves in, but the waiting time is more than 2 hours. We've left Blue Mountain and we've headed back to Little India for lunch. As we didn't get to try much yesterday, we are going to now try ChatKazz. For dessert, we are having fresh pan from next door. It's right next to ChatKazz. Back to the hotel. We are spending the rest of the evening relaxing and enjoying the hotel now.
Apa mandiri putih? Joinya. Swaminarayan mandiri putih. Oh wow. This bit bumpy.
Your destination is on the left.
Swaminarayan.
Swaminarayan. Very nice. Wait, I swear this was it. Apparently, where was it? Yeah.
driving around, and look how beautiful these houses are. So many beautiful, unique houses. Stopped over for a late lunch, early dinner with my cousins. Of course, we had to come and try Ambi's chai. Such a cute place with so many different tea options to choose from. We've ordered our tea and now we're sitting here outside.
He's doing some other stuff. I think.
Back at the hotel, time to relax after a lovely day and final evening in Sydney before we fly back home tomorrow morning. Good morning, we've packed our suitcases and sadly it's time to leave Australia and head back home. We're saying bye to the hotel room. It was such a lovely stay here, definitely would come back. Stopped our rental car and we've reached the check-in area. Such a long queue. Boarded the plane. We had to rush around the airport as we spent an hour and a half in the check-in queue. Goodbye Australia, you've been amazing. Till next time, we have taken off. We've left Sydney and we are heading to Shanghai. First meal of the flight, I have got a vegan meal, so I've got rice, tofu, fruit, bread and butter. Landed in Shanghai. It is late at night, so we are extremely tired. And time to board our second flight. We had a 6-hour stopover in Shanghai. First meal of the second flight. It's kind of late now, so don't really want to eat much, but we are hungry. After eating, I fell straight to sleep. We still have 3 hours left though, so hopefully I can sleep more. Second meal of this flight. All the vegan meals have been so good so far, and yeah, I'm hungry now, so let's eat. We had some airport chaos here. Mum said I don't know where it went, and now we're landing in 45 minutes. We're back home. And we are finally coming into London. More than 32 hours later, we are finally landing home.
Okay, where's she going?
We're heading home now. Australia has been absolutely amazing the past 3 weeks, and we can't wait to go again soon.